dripping. Yeah, I come in with the quickness. I'm running stacks dripping. And you coming to the 9-1 sickness. North Cali till we ride in. Keep it rocking and we can't take it out of all the survivors.
I live by the ocean, I keep it loosely. I will swift kick like I was Bruce Lee. With the nunchucks and the bow staff at hand, I'm taking all this land and every single man that doesn't understand my truth and see skills. I don't give a fuck, I just know that you can feel. Over the hill, I drive, opens, I vibe, and I don't give a fuck because you know MC, I thrive. Hip hop till I stop and fly till I die. I don't give a fuck because I'll punch you in your eye. I'm hella white, but that doesn't even fucking matter because I'll put your skills to shame and your face I'll splatter. Into matter, into dark. I don't give a fuck, y'all probably some narcs. I bark, but I fight just as hard. And I don't give a fuck because I will run this.
You think you run it, but you ain't got it. I'm militantly gunning and I'm perfectly forgotten. Forgotten what you said and your lyrically forgotten. Bitch, I come quick and you know it's forgotten. Forgotten on your sickness, come from the 9-1 sickness. Smoking hella trees and you think you got the business. Bitch, I come in with racks, understand I'm trapping. Bitch, I come quick and it ain't shit trapping. Ain't about shit, but I'm all about the madness. Kicking it with madmen, that's why they call me Sandman. Fuck with your dreams, ain't shit to me. Coming in quickly cause you're feeding at your dreams. Bitch, it ain't shit, I'm coming up quick. Make the money stack, and I keep it macking. Making shit happen, I see a bitch from the side, make a glitch on the ride, and ride on the shit, ride on his dick. Making shit click, clatter, here's a split splatter. Bitch, you come quick.
Hold
Bitch,
up,
come suck a dick and get the mad
Hold
man
up,
if you
here
fuck
we
with
go.
this quick.
I don't give a damn about all these people's flows. I'ma spit the shit, I'ma let you know what's going on. I'ma hit the shit before I be wrecking the blom. I wreck the abstract, my verses like Aflac. You want me to do verse, give me 5,000 plus tax. I'ma get Mac with the Bentley backpack. I put the 14 carats in my contact. It hurts when I blink, all I see is pink. I'm so goddamn funky that I stink. I don't give a damn about what you fucking saying. Laying down these people like a dragon, man. Laying them down because I'm slaying them with a fucking rack. I don't give a fuck about shit. I do this shit when I fucking lay up in the shit and I wreck this shit. I don't give a fuck about anybody because I fucking smash.
Yo,
This is
yo, check it.
Yes.
Yo, this is the best spot. You look like you smoke meth a lot. Don't fucking leave me because you probably come from Camelot. You're fucking ugly and the way that you move looks like a fucking ugly ass dude. You're probably a noob getting toned up on Halo. I don't give a fuck because you probably were sick ages ago. What are you, like 30, still looking hella dirty? I may be nerdy, but with your girl I might get a little flirty. But I don't even drink anymore. You're just a fucking dirty whore who can't even score anything. My ding-a-ling is bigger, and I don't give a fuck because you know I don't pull triggers, I use my fists. I'm fucking ruthless, keep talking shit, and I will leave your ass roofless, burning down the whole house, family and all. I don't give a fuck because you don't really got the balls.
I ain't
Man,
got
come
the
to
balls,
up
but
to
I
wait,
got
hold up.
fireballs. I got
You
family on my
talking
side.
shit, man. You
Look
swole
at
up.
your eye
Look at your
rise.
ass. You talking shit like a kitten and shit's probably fucking written.
I'm from
You coming through, you
Cali,
trying
up
to
in
talk
the
shit to my boy. You
707
can't.
with
You
you.
fucking nigga at a high up. Get this
If
nigga
you
up.
ever heard that.
You need to see this nigga up and watch when he heats you up. I don't give a damn because both of you motherfuckers is both sluts. Holy shit, you wanna suck my nuts? Blackbird coming up, I'm laughing and I'm coming up. So next, here comes the best text. I wreck the shit, but my boy does the best like
Fucking people's egos like needles, I leave some people just a little bit retarded. We're fucking with they cerebral, only people that I pray to are Jesus Christ and God. If you're trying to see some fucked up shit, look through my iPod. I'm the illest villain up in this building. I'm uppercutting all these fake ass ego, all these fucking building. Not giving a fuck, you feel me? Probably not. I'd like to see you in my spot and try to spit something. The Nazi kick rocks. Be a cold day in hell the day I take an L. Fat Joe taught me well, so the brother let your big L. Left me a little fucked up in the mind. I'm here to take whatever you got and take back whatever's mine.